5, 6, 7, and do you know what today is? It is Foolies Fridays. It's Foolies Fridays. Yeah, I like the shoulder movement though. But you know what's better? Do you know what today is? It is Foolies Fridays. Hey, roll your body. Roll your body. Don't tell no. Alright, so it's your boy DJ Money Nemo the Fishman. Neems, Traumatic Nightcrawler. Nick Fury. And a lot of other names that they call me, so I don't repeat. I'm here to help you focus on your mission, not your emotions. Taking you over. I don't know what I'm doing. I just make this stuff up. So, my message today is simple, from the heart, from the chest, from the soul. 4 chambers. If I had to rebuild Foolies all over again, what would I do? That is the message, because I wish I had these tips, these steps, these strategies, these thought processes that I'm about to share with you 9 years ago when we started Foolies, 8-9 years ago. So this is for you guys. Hopefully this helps. So, a few things. If I had 6 months, I had to rebuild all of this Foolies stuff, get back to here, what would I do? All right, so my first and foremost thing, I would do a few things. 1, email list, okay? 2, meetups. 3, blanket the blackest events with my teas. And then if I have a 4, I'll share it. So 1, email list. So before I even start this Foolies things, I would gather as many emails from my friends as I could. Emails. I would just grab their emails. Hey, I'm starting this clothing company thing, and I want you to know, I want you to be in the loop. I want you to be in the movement. It's about Foolies, people who are so crazy to change the world, and doing it passionately and being called crazy and being called foolish because of that. I'm here to inspire you. I'm here to uplift you. I'm here to push you to that next plateau. So I would make sure that that's known and felt, and they need to be on my email list. Every day, I would send them encouragement, send them emails, encouraging them, pushing them, motivating them, giving them gems, resources, tips, advice, anything to help them level up. That's just step 1, right? So I said email list. I don't remember the things I said, so I'm going to try to remember it. Meetups, getting Foolies together, getting people of like minds together, going to creative events and outlets, making sure that, not that I'm preaching my message per se or sharing my message per se, but I'm there and I'm networking, I'm understanding the fears, the joys, the highs, the lows, what are the dreamers, what are the Foolies going through. And so if I'm not going to these events, I'm hosting these events once a month, bi-monthly, whatever, but I'm getting these people together. I'm having cookouts, I'm having potlucks, I'm at the crib, I'm just getting people congregated, getting people in the same room, the like minds, because I'm going to push them, I'm going to encourage them, I'm going to lift them, I'm going to do whatever it takes. But I need to get them all on that speed so that they can go out and change the world and spread a little bit of what we talking about, you know what I'm saying? And then I would blanket these events, so I would save up like 1,000, maybe 1,500, 2 stacks, right? 2K. And then I would say, hey, t-shirt company, how much for 400 to 500 to 600 shirts? And then if whatever is left over in that amount, I'd have my friends, give me money to try to fund that. And then I would go to your Curl Fest, Afrotex. I would go to CultureCon, Summit 21, any kind of Essence Fest, any kind of events. And I would just blanket these events, take pictures with dope, black, amazing women, have them with the shirts of all shades, all sizes, all hair lengths, all whatever. Get these black women in these tees and take photos. Boom. Tag me on the gram, tag me on the gram, tag me on the gram, tag me on Facebook, tag me on Facebook. I would do this for the next 6 months religiously. And I would make sure that anybody who opens emails, kind of opens emails, and don't open emails, those openers, I'm loving on them. What you need? Gift cards. I'm taking you out to eat and grab a lunch with you. I'm serving. I'm helping them, coaching them, building them, encouraging them, whatever I got to do to help them get to the top. But if I had to rebuild it all, this is what I would do. Also, number 4, I think I got one more. Every other day, I would go live. Every other day, I'm live on Facebook. I'm live on Instagram. I'm live on Facebook. I'm live on Instagram. I got nuggets. I got gems. I'm repurposing emails, discussions I've had. I'm saying, hey, I got this Patreon thing. I need y'all to fund this, because I'm going to give y'all value. And I think that would be fair. I'm giving you gems. I'm giving you podcast interviews, you know, because I got 100+ episodes that's still in the crates. You know what I'm saying? So I can give you just different gems that helped me level up, that can help you level up, and just sharing any kind of resources, any access to anything I have, any clientele I know that I can hook you up with. I'm giving value for that time length. And so this is what I would do to rebuild. And I don't know what may have resonated with you, but tag a friend, tag a business owner, tag a small t-shirt designer, whatever that is, a graphic designer, whoever. And this might be the gem they needed to get to the next level, because I wish I had this advice. I wish I had these nuggets. And I wish I would have stopped being scary, stopped letting fear seep in and stop me. I wish I would have stopped listening to haters and doubters and other people's opinions, and I wish I would have just trusted my gut 8 to 9 years ago. Okay, so everything happens for a reason, of course. Oh, but if I could go back, or if I had another 6 months to restart and do it all over, that's what I would do. So I hope this helped you. I hope this helped you. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. It ain't about me. It's about God. Holla at your boy. We out.